You guess what these environmental destruction are? They are examples of environmental destruction caused by human activities. Let's find out when and where they happened. These are examples of environmental destruction that happened in our country recently. Kuala Lumpur flash flood in 2006. Several areas in and around the city were hit, with Dataran Merdeka being the worst hit area during a 3-hour downpour. Many low-lying areas were submerged in water between 1 and 2 meters. Traffic was at a standstill all over the city centre. Vehicles at basement car parks were submerged in flood water which reached up to the ceiling. Hulu Klang landslide tragedy in 2006. The tragedy claimed the lives of 4 in a family and left more than 160 people homeless. The retaining wall that was built on a hill slope by the developer of Taman UK Bestari collapsed. A similar tragedy in 1993 took the lives of 48 when the nearby 12-story Highland Towers apartment collapsed, caused by soil erosion. In August 2005, Malaysia was blanketed with a week-long haze. It almost brought the central part of peninsular Malaysia to a standstill, as visibility was very low. The air quality in Kuala Lumpur was very poor, and people were advised to stay indoors. Some schools were closed. The haze had caused economic losses due to the serious health problems, traffic hazards, and flight disruptions. Environmental destruction happens because when trees are cut down, there will be no more roots from the trees to hold the soil. The surface of earth will be exposed to heavy rain. The soil will be washed out easily and will cause soil erosion. Rainwater flows straight into the river since there is no water retention. This may cause flash floods in lowland areas as well as landslides in highlands. Habitats of animals and plants are destroyed too. Farmers use fertilizers to increase their harvest. They also use herbicides and pesticides to control weeds and pests. These fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides cause water pollution. Water pollution is also caused by industrial waste, household waste, and sewage wastewater. When trees are cut and burnt to clear land, smoke is produced. Smoke from open burning can cause air pollution. We are burning fossil fuels by using motor vehicles. This causes air pollution. Look at these pictures. These destructions happened because of human activities that caused an imbalance in nature. Click to find out. Look at these pictures. These destructions happened because of human activities that caused an imbalance in nature. Click to find out. Look at this picture. Trees are cut to give way to development. Sometimes trees are cut illegally by individuals who want to get easy profits. Logging destroys the natural habitat of many animals in the jungle. Some plants in the jungle are destroyed. The animals and plants become endangered and will soon be extinct. Sometimes, animals are poached for their body parts. Poaching activities are illegal. Animals are poached for their skin, fur, tusks, horns, and many other things that would benefit human beings in one way or another. Are there any environmental effects as a result of excessive hunting or poaching? If development is improperly managed, we are putting lives of human beings, animals, and the environment in jeopardy. There are places around the world where development is not governed by proper rules and regulations and are not properly monitored by their authorities. For example, trees are being excessively cut without being replanted. Waste from construction is not properly disposed of. Can you predict what will happen to the earth if human activities are not controlled? Yes, the earth is going to suffer if human activities are not controlled. Without trees, global warming will happen. Soil erosions will worsen. Landslides are going to be common, and the animals will not have a place to stay. They will become extinct. Flash floods worsen because rubbish are clogging drains. Air becomes polluted with dust and haze. Water will be polluted as rubbish and waste are thrown into rivers. As a result of all these, human beings, animals, and the environment will suffer. Human activities like illegal and excessive logging, excessive hunting and poaching, as well as improper management of development, cause destruction to the environment. These destructions include flash floods, soil erosion, landslides, water pollution, air pollution. If human activities are not controlled, species of animals and plants will be endangered and become extinct. Without trees, global warming will take effect.